Imagine waking up one morning, looking in the mirror and realizing your muscles aren't what they used to be. You haven't changed much, but suddenly lifting a grocery bag feels heavier than it should. What if I told you the difference isn't age itself, but the kind of protein you're eating after 60? You see, many seniors think protein is just for bodybuilders. But here's the truth. After 60, the right proteins can mean the difference between staying strong, mobile, and independent, or slowly losing energy and muscle year after year. And surprisingly, not all proteins work the same way in your body. Some may help rebuild muscle fibers, protect your joints, and even sharpen your mind, while others give almost no benefit at all. So today, I'm going to share the 5 best protein-rich foods for seniors over 60 that may keep you strong and energized. And number 5 might actually shock you. Let's start with something simple but powerful. Eggs. They're nature's multivitamin wrapped in a shell. Eggs are rich in a special amino acid called leucine, which helps trigger muscle repair. And for seniors, that's like flipping on the body's muscle-building switch. Don't be afraid of the yolk. Most of the nutrients your brain and joints love are hiding in there. But here's a twist. Eating just an egg or 2 isn't enough. Research suggests seniors may need slightly more protein than younger adults because the body doesn't absorb it as efficiently. That means instead of a light toast and coffee breakfast, starting your day with 2 or 3 eggs, maybe scrambled with spinach, could fuel your muscles and keep energy steady till lunch. Now let's move to number 2, Greek yogurt. Not the sugary kind, but plain, high-protein Greek yogurt. It's packed with protein and probiotics that support digestion and gut health. Why does that matter? Because a healthy gut helps you absorb more of the nutrients from your food. Think of it like upgrading from an old sponge that leaks water to a brand new sponge that soaks up every drop. Add a few berries and crushed nuts, and you've got a senior-friendly snack that helps both your muscles and your digestion. Next, food number 3, salmon. This isn't just about protein, it's about omega-3 fats that may help reduce inflammation. As we age, inflammation is one of the biggest silent thieves of strength. Salmon gives you high-quality protein that repairs muscle, plus healthy fats that cushion your joints. It's like repairing the walls of your house while also fixing the foundation underneath. A simple grilled salmon fillet twice a week can go a long way. But maybe you're wondering, what if I don't like fish? Here's where number 4 comes in. Chicken thighs. Notice I didn't say chicken breast. Chicken thighs not only taste better, but they contain a richer profile of nutrients and are easier to chew for seniors who may have dental concerns. Pair it with some roasted vegetables, and you've got a meal that's both filling and muscle-friendly. And finally, number 5, the one most people don't expect, collagen peptides. Now, collagen isn't a complete protein like eggs or chicken, but it provides amino acids your body uses to repair skin, joints, and connective tissue. Think of it like the glue that holds your frame together. Seniors who add collagen, maybe in their morning coffee or smoothie, often notice their knees creak less, their skin feels more hydrated, and even recovery after walking or light exercise improves. And when combined with other protein sources, it can make your whole system stronger. Here's the big takeaway. After 60, it's not just about eating more protein, it's about eating the right kinds of protein. Eggs for the muscle switch, Greek yogurt for the gut, salmon for anti-inflammation, chicken thighs for everyday strength, and collagen for your joints. Each one plays a role, like instruments in an orchestra. Alone, they sound nice. Together, they create a powerful harmony that keeps you strong and energized. Now, if you're serious about staying strong after 60, I've put together a complete step-by-step health plan you can download right now. It's senior-friendly, easy to follow, and shows you exactly how to eat and move to rebuild strength naturally. You'll find the link just below this video. And if you're still curious about which protein is truly best for seniors, collagen or whey, don't miss the video showing now on your screen. Collagen peptides versus whey protein, the surprising truth nobody tells you. So here's my question for you. Which protein food do you eat most often right now, and do you think it's really helping your body? Let me know in the comments, because at the end of the day, the right protein after 60 isn't just food, it's fuel for the life you still want to live.